Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete your Boldin account. In this walkthrough, we'll use your email to submit a deletion request to Boldin's support team. Keep Gmail open and follow along, and by the end you'll have a clear, complete request sent off for processing. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the email address linked to your Boldin account. Using the same address helps support verify ownership quickly and reduces back and forth later. Next, click Compose. On desktop, you'll find it at the top left. On mobile, it may appear as a plus or pencil icon. A new message window will open. If it appears small, you can expand it so you can see everything you're typing without distraction. In the To field, enter the official Boldin support email address. Only use the address published on Boldin's website or Help Center to ensure your request reaches the right team. Avoid copying addresses from third-party sources and don't include any personal data beyond what's needed to identify your account. Move to the subject line and write something clear and specific, such as Account Deletion Request. A concise subject helps support route your message correctly and can speed up response times. Now write your message, keep it polite and precise. State that you're requesting permanent deletion of your Boldin account. Include details that help confirm your identity, like the Boldin username and the email associated with the account. If there's a reference ID tied to your account, you can mention that as well. Do not include passwords, payment details, or any sensitive information. If you're in a region with specific privacy rights, you can note that you're exercising your right to deletion. If you want your data removed as well, say so explicitly and ask for written confirmation once the process is complete. If you still need any data from your account, make sure you export or save it before sending, because deletion is usually irreversible. When your message looks good, click Send. You should see a brief confirmation that the email has been sent. Afterward, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply from Boldin. Check your spam or junk folder in case the response is filtered. Save any acknowledgement you receive until the process is finalized, and be ready to respond if support asks for simple verification from the same email thread. That's it. You've submitted your deletion request to Boldin through Gmail. Thanks for watching, and take care.